Alright, so Darwin was a visionary, and we owe much of evolutionary biology to him. However, what you might not have known is that Darwin was a little bit obsessed with carnivorous plants. And by a little bit obsessed, I mean that he studied them for like 16 years. And he performed some weird and absurd experiments on them, and I want to talk about it. So let's talk about it. So one day, about a year after the publication of The Origin of Species, Darwin was strolling through the English countryside when he stumbled upon a peculiar plant that, piqued his interest. And the plant was covered with insect remains. And the plant was a Drosera, or sundew. And Droseras have glands producing a sticky substance covering their leaves to trap insects. And the plant then moves its tentacles upon contact with its prey to trap it further. And, it was kind of love at first sight. And that's when Darwin's 16-year-long love story with carnivorous plants was born. And he started performing some science on them. He tested the reactivity of carnivorous plants, specifically sundews, to a very wide range of substances, like regular household items, like gum, and substances that were known to affect the nervous system of animals, like chloroform and opium, which he found actually put the plant to sleep. And then following these experiments, Darwin concluded that Drosera possesses matter at least in some degree analogous to nervous matter. He also tried blowing on them and feeding them meat. He also studied the digestive secretions of carnivorous plants and stated that it secretes a fluid analogous to gastric juice. And then, after years of experimenting, he went on to publish Insectivorous Plants in 1875. And it was a huge success. He told a friend when he was experimenting on Drosera, "At this present moment, I care more about Drosera than the origin of all the species in the world," which is pretty telling. And so I do want to mention that even though a lot of his experiments can seem like they were out there, he had some pretty good hunches about carnivorous plants and how they functioned. And he contributed to advancing this branch of botany tremendously. So, just wanted to share these interesting tidbits with you. And yeah, subscribe for more random nature facts, random poorly drawn nature facts. And have a nice day.